Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a cool, lovely song from Faouzia called R.I.P. Love. So this one has a cool, kind of exotic vibe in it, and one chord progression that goes over and over in this song through the entire song. So that's great. Let's set our capo on the 5th fret. We have 5 different chords to handle. So let's start with the chords. We have first the A minor. So open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is G. So third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord will be D minor. Alright, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We go over here to F, so that's a bar on the 1st fret, all strings. And the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. And the final chord will be E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. So that will go through the entire song, that order: A minor, G, D minor, F, and E. Alright, so we have 2 different ways of playing this. So the first strumming pattern will be down, 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 like this. 3 downs in total. So if we look at the A minor, that's the first chord. It'll be like this. So it's a longer break after the first down, and then comes the 2 downs a little bit faster. So down, 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 like this, okay? So one strumming round is down, 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 like this. So 3 downs, all right? So with this chord progression, you're gonna play 2 strumming rounds for A minor, then 2 for G, 2 for D minor, then 1 for F, and 1 for E. So a little bit slower than standard tempo will be like this. F and E. All right, so that is the first strumming round, or sorry, strumming alternative. You're gonna play this for the first verse and the first pre-chorus, and the first verse will be 2 rounds of this chord progression. So 2 rounds of that, and then comes the first pre-chorus, and there you will play another 2 rounds of this chord progression. So in total it will play 4 chord progression rounds with this drummer down, 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 like this. All right, so 4 rounds, and then after these first 4 rounds, from the first chorus and all the way to the end, you will play the next alternative or the next strumming pattern here. So that sounds like this with A minor. That is 1 round. So down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so again. Down, down, up, clap, down. You will play in the same way as the first when it comes to how many strumming rounds for each and every chord. So that means 2 A minors, 2 G, 2 D minor, 1 F, and 1 E. So that means that is one chord progression. So just to summarize this song here, the first 4 rounds of this chord progression you will play down, 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 down. And the rest of the song will be that will end Fauzia's R.I.P. Love. So I hope you love this tutorial and I hope it was helpful. That's my goal with this. So thank you for watching. I hope you to support me. Subscribe, thumb up, and yeah, play tuned.